Hi there, crafty peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on today to do a product review for this super cute kawaii looking product. So the company Caldever did reach out to me and ask me to do a review, and I saw the product and I'm like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. Sure, let's do it. Okay. So you can see it's a little umbrella here, but we're going to talk about the actual product in a minute or two. This is called the Magnetic Shade Stand Pro. And on the box here, it says it has a magnetic snap-on. It provides glare and drizzle protection for your phone, and it has the iconic stand design. And when they say iconic stand design, they have their own line of these cute little hands that have a number of different symbols, which we will look at in a couple of minutes. But yep, so cute. This side of the box shows you their email and a phone number in case you have trouble with your product. On the back here, it says, show your style, share your stance, and they like people to tag them at Caldever on TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook. And, oh, they're also at Caldever_vibe on Instagram. That I didn't know about. If you use either of these codes here, you have a chance to win a free phone stand. This one here will activate your warranty, and I believe they have a 2-year warranty is what I read, and this will get you to their official website. They have a quick safety warning here that says contains magnets, keep away from pacemakers and children, not a toy. Okay, so I did want to mention that the box is a little bit damaged here, but this came from Amazon and the whole package was damaged. So I think that it got messed up by the driver or delivery, however that works. So anyway, here we go. And it is packed very nicely in a very firm, cushiony padding there, and you do get their business card, and it says you can download the Amazon app for easy shopping, and on the back they have their help, email, and web address, as well as where you can follow them on social media. It includes an adorable little postcard, so cute. This would be perfect for Happy Mail. 1 thumb up, all the love, adorable. And then you got a user manual here. So I do want to go through a couple of things in here that talks about their company, and they are new to me, so I'm going to actually read this. I hope you guys don't mind. I'll go as quickly as I can. It's just this little bit here. It says, not just tech, it's you. So basically they promote tech that is fun and interesting to the individual personality. At Caldever, we believe that tech accessories should be more than just functional. They should be emotional, expressive, and unapologetically yours. We are here to turn everyday gadgets into bold, creative statements, fuse style and function that light up your world and reflect your vibe. Whether it's a thumbs up gesture, a rocker sign, or a shy pose, it strikes conversation and makes you express yourself without limits and makes tech feel personal. Life's too short for boring tech. Join us in redefining what tech can be, more personal, more vibrant, more you. This isn't just tech, this is your story. So that sounds like their theme line there. And it says, make every moment louder. And then over here you have, once again, the QR code for activating the warranty. And yes, I was right, it's a 2-year warranty. And they must have some kind of member club you can join, because here it says member exclusive benefits include getting a free phone stand, exclusive member discounts, buy one, get one free, early access to new product trials. And once again, information in case you're having problems. And then on the back here, they have how to set it up, which is super easy. Number one, you're going to take the magnetic base and you're going to attach it to your phone. You're going to attach the shade into the little hand there. And then you will open the umbrella and adjust it to whatever direction you need. It says here, flexible arm to position the shade for optimal glare-free viewing. And then on the back, we have some more safety warnings, a little bit more than what was on the box. It says this product contains magnets, keep away from pacemakers, ICDs, and other medical devices to avoid interference. Keep away from credit cards and electronic storage media. Keep out of reach of children. So I'm going to give you a close-up there of the different umbrellas. And I don't know if these are all the colors they have, but they're the ones featured on this little pamphlet. It does say here, more styles, more colors, search on Amazon or visit their website. And then here are some of their fun Mood Moves stands. So this one is a thumbs up. Here is a peace sign. This one is the rocker sign. Here we've got an okay, and there is the love sign. More styles, more colors. Okay, so that's the little booklet there, and here is the so cute product. So let me take it out of the packaging here, and let me actually detach this part. So here is their iconic handstand. This one happens to be the thumbs up, and I did choose pink. And the magnet is in a little package here. I think this probably has a sticky seal that you can peel off and stick on there. But to protect it, they have it in the plastic. So there's the stand. And here is the totally adorable little umbrella. Look at how cute that is. I love it. Let me get my ruler here. So top to bottom, this measures 9 inches. And you can see it has the flexible arm stand there. It is tipped off with this nice rubber ending here so you don't poke yourself or anything else. I love the color, this pretty pink and white. And it looks just like your patio umbrella. It's so cute. Unsnap it, unroll it, and reach in and just pop it up. Look how cute that is. Oh my word. I love the pink and the white together. The inside is this pretty silver, and I don't know if this helps with the anti-glare on your phone. It's got white plastic hardware here, and it feels pretty sturdy, so unless you're abusing it, it should be good to go. And each one of the ends is tipped off with a little round tipper on there to keep from poking things. So that's the cute little umbrella. And what you'll do is you'll just snap it into the hand, and I'm going to push it all the way up. Okay, and now I'm filming with my phone, so I can't put it on my phone, but I did borrow my son's phone. Unfortunately, he doesn't have the magnetic circle on the back, but this is my phone case, and his phone doesn't fit in my case, so I just rubber banded it on there so that we can try this out. Okay, so you're just gonna snap it on. There it is. Okay. It feels pretty sturdy on there. It's got a good magnetic grip, and yeah, here it is. And if you are, let me see, did I put that on there right? Give me 1 second. There we go. You can tip it like this. If you're on your patio, if you're on your deck, if you're walking down the street and the sun is glaring, this is going to give you the shade that you need. You can even turn it sideways if you need to watch your phone sideways. Okay, very, very cute. Yeah, also keeps rain, drizzle, and snow off your phone. You know, there's so many people that they're walking and they're holding their phone and watching something or talking to somebody at the same time, and this would be a cute little device. If it's your style, this would be a cute little device to have on your phone to protect it while you are out and about. And yeah, so fun. It is cute, and I think I'm going to be gifting this to someone, and I have the perfect person in mind. And I bet you many of you probably know who she is, okay? So that is my review of this totally adorable magnetic shade stand for your phone. This is called the Pro. I don't know if there's another version that's not Pro, but it comes in many different colors. It's very compact. The magnet sticks good on the back, and it is just super cute. So anyway, I'm going to have a link to this product and the website and the social media information down in the description box below. If you end up picking one of these up, I'd really love it if you tag me or let me know what you think about it. It's just fun. If it fits your personality, I think that's what this company is all about. Fitting your personality. And super fun, super cute, and I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough, and I'll catch you on the next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.